I had 8 products to use up in 2020 to meet my project plan target. And let's see how I've done in November. I suspect that I've already reached that target. Cleanser first. I've actually finished 2 cleansers here. This one's a tiny sample. You might have seen this in a number of advent calendars and or GWPs. Tata Harper Regenerating Cleanser. Hang on. All gone. Now the thing is, this is an exfoliating cleanser with granules, grit, graininess, grains, whatever you want to call it. For me, of Tata Harper's cleansers, the nourishing oil and the purifying cleanser being the other 2, I've tried all 3. I have actually included all 3 in my empties so far. This one is the one that I like the least, so I won't be repurchasing this. The purifying cleanser is the best. The second cleanser that I've used, I think that this is actually the first cleanse. Kodali makeup removing cleansing oil, have repurchased. Wonderful, emulsifies like an absolute dream. Very, very lightweight, does not break me out at all. Contains sunflower seed oil and sweet almond oil and grape seed oil and vitamin E. Yeah, all gone. So will I repurchase? Already have, as I told you. Now the next 2 products are very interesting. I have repurchased the one. I want to repurchase the other, maybe on Black Friday, which is probably over by the time I publish this video. I'm from Mugwort Essence is the first one. The second one is by Wish Trend Quad Active Boosting Essence. Both, hang on. Yeah, I know. This is not a molten brown char gel. Right, both all gone. This one, empty as you can see, this one. Both are very, very runny, lightweight toners, more like toners than essences. They're not essence at all, they're more toners. And they're both terribly lightweight and oil-free. And they're both good for soothing the skin and calming inflammation. The Mugwort Essence one is nice if you have sore or inflamed skin. I feel that the Quad Active Boosting Essence is better if you have proper acne. This works better with acne than this one. This is general inflammation and, sore skin, calms the skin down. This is specifically acne. The only thing is you get a nice 160 mils of this, and here you get only 100 mils. And therefore, I want to repurchase this. I feel that the price needs to be a bit lower for this one. Both need to be decanted into spray bottles to prevent any kind of wastage. I know, I'm a weird person who doesn't throw away external boxes very quickly. Yeah. So the next 2 are a mist and a hyaluronic acid. The first one is Black Chicken Remedies Hydrate My Face. This is an Australian brand which gets very, very, very little love. I like their aesthetic and their products. A very luscious mist, particularly if you have dry skin. I wouldn't advise it if you're very, very breakout prone though. It contains lavender oil. And I use that along with the plant-based 100% pure hyaluronic acid, all gone. This came in last year's Yes Style Advent calendar. I won't be repurchasing this, not because I didn't like it, but because it was just 20 mils, and I like my hyaluronic acid to be a good, 100, 150 mils at least. I get through hyaluronic acid very, very quickly, so 20 mils, yeah, not good. I don't know why I kept the external box. Anyway, Yes Style Advent Calendar 2019, very nice product. Serums, next, 2 of them. The first one is from Tiam, Vita B3 Source. It is called All Gone Niacinamide with Arbutin. Perfect if you have post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. You can't see any PIH on my skin right now. This is the reason. Very, very, very brightening. Oil-free, doesn't break me out. It's not a watery finish though. I would use it after hyaluronic, as a proper serum. The next one, Maison Original Skin Energy Peptide 500. Possibly along with the original Centella Green Buffet Serum from Purito, the worst peptide product I have used. The finish was oily. It was, I don't know, I felt it wasn't easy to layer, and I couldn't see any results whatsoever. I see results with the ordinary buffet and copper peptides. I see results with the Medicaid liquid peptides. With this, no results. So I mean, what's the point of having peptides in your routine if it doesn't do anything for you? Facial oil, the Skin Owl Beauty Drops. Okay, the dropper has become very sticky and icky. All gone. Yeah, all gone. I was scared there'd be a drop or two left, but all gone. This I bought back when Cult Beauty was stocking it, and I was advised to buy it as an anti-acne facial oil. I don't think it was anti-acne. It didn't particularly break me out as such, but it wasn't a facial oil that I would use when I have an active breakout face. So as a result, I won't be repurchasing this. Average, there are far better facial oils out there. Moisturizers. Both are the same, both are over. Dr. Dennis Gross, C+ Collagen, Deep Cream, that's the one, this is the other. Both gone. Very, very nice. You know, I love that orangey smell. Nice when you're going to sleep. Will I repurchase? I've got 2 more of the same thing left. So after those 2, yeah, and I've got, I think, 1 more from a GWP as well. Let those be over and then I'll decide. Eye cream, I know. Dr. Dennis Gross C+ Collagen eye cream. This wasn't a very hydrating eye cream. I think I like the C+ Collagen serum and the C+ Collagen cream better than the eye cream. The eye cream isn't very hydrating. Won't be repurchasing. Lastly, candle, Neom Organics scented candle. I thought I liked this candle. And then I tried the Joe Loves from the Space and Care Advent calendar, and that was a lot. I mean, I did finish this up, but now I'm sticking to Joe Loves. I think Joe Loves has very, very nice candles. I actually like that one from the Space and Care Advent calendar more than diptyque candles right now. But you know, I like Aqua di Parma more than diptyque. So yeah, personal choices here, people. Not all of us smell things the same way or experience things the same way. Neom, though, I won't be repurchasing. So I needed to finish 8 products in November to meet my Project Pan target. I have finished 12 products this month, which means that I have used 120 beauty products in the whole of 2020. Quite pleased. I will be doing December Empties, never fear, and I will be doing Project Pan in 2021 as well. Not maybe 121 products. I don't know, I have to find out a number. But you know, I would love it if you joined me as well. You know, either send me your pictures of your empties, or you know, tag me on social media when you're posting pictures of your empties. I feel that this helps put a dent in our stash and helps us wonder which products we want to repurchase, and helps us, you know, be more mindful of future purchases. When we're using more, I mean, it helps you see your stash for what it is. So Project Pan has really, really helped me. Do join me next year. I mean, I'll do December Empties before that, obviously. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. I'll speak to you soon.